I've had a really interesting morning here in Newport with a company called BIPV Co, also working as MIPV Co. I'll explain that in just a second. What BIPV Co has been doing right here in Wales over the past few years is developing a new technology of photovoltaic systems, electricity generation from solar power. You know the ones you usually get, the ones the hard ones that sit on tops of buildings and so on. What they do is a flexible membrane that can be stuck straight onto buildings and so on. So building integrated photovoltaic company, and then MIPV, a mobile integrated photovoltaic, is the new technology. And today there's an open day looking at MIPV in particular. Just to give you an idea, this is MIPV, so you can see this film is a photovoltaic. Do you want to have a closer look? A photovoltaic cell that in this case trickle charges an electric vehicle, and you might know that I've been doing a lot of work with electric vehicles at the moment. Over here, some carports with flexible PV films on top of them, charging these quite wonderful cars. So this is technology developed here in Wales. It's an indigenous business developed in partnership with business and higher education. It's made in Wales, but it's global. It's building partnerships throughout Wales and the world. This is technology that we can be really, really proud of. I look forward to hearing more about how the company develops.